Mr. President, 2 araw na pong walang session ng Senado. Hindi malinaw kung magse-session sila before the adjourn CNDA. Your thoughts on the Senate impasse and what would you like to tell the senators?
Yan, ito ngayon ang sabi ng presidente, mga kaiksena. Tingnan nyo yung mukha ni President, no? Nalungkot kagad, di ba? Kasi nakakahiya. Kakahiya. Di ba? Biruin mo, nalalaman ng buong mundo yung mga senador sa Pilipinas, nagpapalaki ng betlog. Di ba? Takot na takot mawala yung kanilang posisyon. Oh. Tingnan mo, nalungkot si Mr. President eh. Pagkatanong sa kanya yan eh, di ba? Oh.
Thoughts on the Senate impasse and what would you like to tell the senators?
Di ba? Nalungkot eh, oh.
Get back to work.
Oh. Get back to work. Ganun lang, oh. Bakit to, Mr. President?
Back to work. Because it's important. Ang dami natin kailangan gawin. Look, we had a meeting sa Uplift Committee. And marami tayong kailangan pagawa sa mga batas. Like, we were thinking may baka magka-supplemental budget, baka mag-amyendahan namin ang mga ibang batas. Ito ay kailangan para makapagbigay tayo ng tulong sa taong bayan dahil nga sa oil crisis. Kung walang session, hindi ko nga maintindihan dahil ang pagkaintindi ko is that ang rules, nag-congressman naman ako, nag-senador din ako. Ang rules dyan, bago ka mag-cancel ng session, you have to inform the other house 3 days before you cancel a session. And there has to be a very good reason for canceling a session.
Oh, maraming salamat, Joseph Yuha. Thank you.
I don't think na ihahatid mo ang isang senador para pupunta kung saan siya pupunta. Hindi yata sapat na dahilan yan para i-cancel ang isang session. Isang session lang yun. Ngayon, kanselado na naman ang isang session. Hindi ko nga maintindihan kung paano sila magtatrabaho kung ganito. Ang House of Representatives kayo ay nagtataka kung paano ba, nagbago na ba yung rules, nagbago na ba yung mga patak natin kadaya ng sa mga nakaraan. It is a rule that is contained in the Constitution. And so, I'm afraid, all these events that
Super no? Super disappointed talaga si Mr. President eh. Talagang nalulungkot eh, no? Dahil sa ginagawa ng Senado.
we have been witnessing has thrown the Senate and its leadership into the whole Senate into disarray. It has discredited the leadership, and it has stopped the essential business of legislation and government. The 2 other departments continue to work. The executive continues to work. The judiciary continues to work. Why does the legislation decide? Why does the legislature decide to stop working? I don't understand that. I talked to my fellow senators in the time I was senator, and we cannot figure out bakit nagkaganito. Ano nangyari? Paano tayo napunta rito? Where the best description I can have is that the legislature is now in disarray. But that is exactly the opposite from what we are trying to achieve. We are trying to achieve some form of stability so that people can get on with their lives, so that people can plan ahead for their future, so that people can count on the assistance of government during this time of an emergency. And we cannot do that if the legislature decides to stay at home and have a vacation. That is anathema to everything that governance is about. I never imagined in my entire life, never mind my entire political life, that such a thing could happen, especially to the august, it's no longer august now, but to the august body of the upper house of the Senate of the Philippines.
Is there anything you intend to
Grabe, no? Biro yung mga ka-eksena. Kahit kanina, napanood ko ang interview ni Coco Pimentel, dating senador, sa history ng Pilipinas, ngayon lang nangyari yung ginawang ganyan ni Cayetano. Boom! Kung hindi ba namang gago talaga yung putang inang yan. Salamat Nelson Copino ha. So tuloy tayo mga ka-eksena.